Have you ever noticed how small stalls, local bakeries, or quiet warehouses keep making money without any hype or big teams? No ads, no influencers, yet the income never stops. The secret often isn't the owner, but compact machines working silently in the background, many of which are easily available on platforms like Amazon and Alibaba. In this video, we're revealing 10 overlooked machines that power real income in food, packaging, and creative work. Some run in minutes, others all day with barely any effort. Watch till the end because the last one is so ignored, it might completely change how you see small businesses. Number 10. Button Maker Machine. The Button Maker Machine is used to create custom pinback buttons for schools, events, brands, and online shops. The process involves placing a printed circular design between a metal shell and backing, then pressing the handle to seal everything together. Each button takes only a few seconds, which makes it efficient for bulk orders. Most basic button maker machines are available in the range of $40 to $100. Buttons are often sold at affordable prices, while materials remain low cost, which allows many sellers to recover their expenses quickly. When used for local events, school orders, or online sales, this machine is often described as a steady side income tool rather than a high-risk business. Number 9. Gumball Machine. A gumball machine operates on a simple self-service model. Once stocked with candy or small toys and placed in a suitable location, it dispenses items when a coin is inserted. The owner only needs to restock and occasionally maintain the machine. The average cost for a standard gumball machine is usually $60 to $120. Because refill supplies are inexpensive and the machine works passively, many owners use multiple machines across different locations to build consistent small earnings over time. This model is commonly seen as a slow but stable income option. Number 8. Tufting Starting Gun Kit. The Tufting Starting Gun Kit is used to create custom rugs and textile artwork. Yarn is guided through a fabric backing using the tufting gun, forming textured designs. After trimming and backing, the finished rug can be sold as a handmade product. Starter kits generally cost between $150 and $350. Handmade rugs are valued for their uniqueness, and many creators sell them online or through social media. Earnings vary depending on design complexity, demand, and marketing effort, but this machine is often used to support creative-based income streams rather than mass production. Number 7. Balloon Stuffing Machine. The balloon stuffing machine is commonly used in event decoration and gift customization. It inflates balloons evenly and allows decorative items to be placed inside, creating visually appealing displays for birthdays, celebrations, and promotions. These machines typically fall within $70 to $140. Decorated balloons are widely used for events, and service-based pricing is common in this space. Many users treat this as a seasonal or part-time activity that can supplement income during holidays and special occasions. Number 6. Lens Polishing Machine. The lens polishing machine is designed to restore clarity to scratched eyeglass lenses. The lens is mounted securely and polished using controlled rotation and pressure. The process is simple and repeatable, making it suitable for small service setups. Most entry-level machines cost around $200 to $500. This type of machine is often used in repair services or partnered with optical shops. Earnings depend on local demand and pricing, but it is commonly viewed as a skill-based service rather than an automated business. Number 5. Cotton Candy Machine. The cotton candy machine is designed to melt sugar and spin it into thin threads that collect into fluffy cotton candy. Sugar or hard candy is placed into the center spinner head, where heat melts it and centrifugal force pushes it through tiny holes. As the sugar cools, it forms soft strands that are collected with a stick. The machine heats up quickly and can produce multiple servings per minute, making it ideal for events. Most entry-level electric cotton candy machines are available in the range of $120 to $300. They are commonly used at parties, fairs, school events, and small stalls. Many users operate this machine as an event-based service or rental setup, especially during weekends and holidays. Number 4. Cake Topper Image Printer. The Cake Topper Image Printer allows bakers to print edible images directly onto frosting sheets or wafer paper using food-safe ink. The process begins with selecting or editing an image, then sending it wirelessly or via cable to the printer. Once printed, the edible sheet is placed on a cake to create a personalized design. These printers typically cost between $250 and $600, depending on brand and features. Bakeries and home-based cake sellers often use this machine to offer customization as an add-on service. Personalized cakes are in high demand, especially for birthdays and weddings, making this machine a popular choice for creative food businesses. Number 3. Want J Join Boba Maker. The Want J Join Boba Maker is built for preparing tapioca pearls used in bubble tea. The machine automates cooking by maintaining precise temperature and timing, ensuring the pearls cook evenly without sticking or overcooking. Once ready, the pearls remain warm and fresh for serving over extended periods. This type of boba maker is usually priced between $300 and $800. It is commonly used by bubble tea shops, kiosks, and home-based sellers who want consistent quality. Many operators use this machine to streamline production during busy hours, making it easier to meet daily demand without manual monitoring. Number 2. Electric Strapping Machine. The electric strapping machine is used in packaging and logistics to secure boxes and bundles with plastic straps. It automatically tightens, seals, and cuts the strap around the package. The operator simply places the strap around the item and activates the machine. Most electric strapping machines cost between $400 and $900. They are widely used in warehouses, small manufacturing units, and shipping businesses. This machine helps speed up packaging work and reduce manual labor, which is why many small operations adopt it to improve efficiency rather than as a standalone income source. Number 1. Cutting and Embossing Machine. The cutting and embossing machine is commonly used for crafting, card making, scrapbooking, and small product decoration. It uses metal dies and embossing folders to cut shapes or press raised patterns into materials like paper, cardstock, vinyl, and thin fabric. The user feeds materials through the machine using a manual or motorized mechanism. These machines generally cost between $100 and $300. They are popular among crafters who sell handmade cards, invitations, and decorative products. Many users treat this machine as a creative tool that supports online shops or local craft sales, especially during seasonal events. And there you have it, 10 powerful machines that quietly generate income across food, packaging, and creative businesses. From simple button makers to high-tech boba machines, each of these tools offers an accessible way to start a side hustle or expand an existing small business. The best part? Most of them are easy to operate, affordable, and available online, making it simple for anyone to get started. If you found this video helpful and want more insider tips on small business tools and money-making machines, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Comment below which machine you'd love to try first. We'd love to hear your thoughts.